In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix calling card option not showing in phone dialer. Let's get started. First, open the phone or dialer app on your device. Go to settings inside the dialer menu. Look for an option like calling accounts, SIM and calling settings or call settings. If your phone supports calling cards, you should see the option here. If you don't see it, check if your carrier or region still supports calling card services. Some carriers disable this option on newer Android and iOS versions. In that case, you may need to use third-party calling card app provided by your carrier. Next, update your phone app. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app. If you found the option of update, click on it and update it to its latest version. Next up, update software of your device. So close this, launch your settings. Click on General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. If it is still missing, try resetting the phone app settings. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Phone, click on Storage, then click on Clear Cache. Then reopen the dialer to see if the calling card option appears again. As a last resort, contact your mobile carrier support. Some networks require you to enable calling card access manually on the site, and that's it. These are best ways to fix the calling card option not showing on your phone dialer. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.